Hello everyone, and welcome to our Serenade video. In this video, we will go over the document assembly. With document assembly, you're able to create a packet of all your case information, download it into one PDF, instead of having to print those one by one. From inside the eIMMIGRATION software, let us search for a case. Once inside the case, we'll want to make sure of a couple things before we generate the document assembly. First, we will want to make sure that the forms are completed inside our case. Also, we'll want to make sure that we have documents inside the document section. Lastly, you have the option of creating letter templates inside the software and adding them to the case. In doing so, you can include these in your packet. Once you have your forms prepared, your documents prepared, and your letters prepared, you can proceed with creating a document assembly. It is located on the tabs to the right, and once found, click on it. From here, we'll create a new document assembly. We'll give it a name. Once in the document assembly, you'll now see your forms, your documents, and your letters. You also have the option of going into the client's profile in case you want to look up client-specific documents such as their passports, I-94s, and visas, and more. If we switch to the case documents, we can then bring over all the forms that we worked on. We can also bring over all the documents that were included either by the client or ourselves. Lastly, we'll include the cover letter onto our packet. Once the documents are here to the right, you can rearrange the order. For example, I can move the cover letter, drag and drop it all the way to the top. If any of these documents are a subcategory of any of these forms, I can click on the indent button, and in doing so, it makes it into a subcategory of the form. I could also even add custom pages to my packet in case I want to add blank pages. It'll open up as a Word document, so it could be a blank document or any document that you manually typed directly into the document assembly. Lastly, you can create a table of contents. And from here, the software will instantly create this table of contents for you and divide it based on the type of documents that you have in your document assembly. From here, you have the option of leaving it as is, or you do have the option of adding more details onto the table of contents. Once you've created your document assembly, you now have the option of emailing this to yourself or your client or downloading it. If we go the route of emailing it, it'll open up this pop-up where you'll then select who do you want to send this to. It'll list the caseworker's link to the case and also any client's link to the case. You can add captions at the bottom, you can number the pages, and you can type out the body of the email that is being sent to you or the client. You also have the option of selecting a letter template in case you have an email of what you typically send when you email these packets. If you go the route of downloading, you can click on Download Assembled Documents. From here, you'll have the option of adding captions at the bottom or numbering the pages. I'll leave those blank and click on Initiate. From here, you're now going to get a message that tells you that the operation was successful, and you will see a button to redirect. This redirect button will send you to the job request page. This job request page is located in your tools, and from there, you'll see your assembled document. If your assembled document isn't completed, you can refresh the page, and more than likely, your document assembly will be completed. Once you see the status as completed, you now have the option of clicking on Download File. When doing so, it'll now download the PDF onto your device. You can open up that PDF, and in doing so, the software has now created your document assembly. As you can see here, it numbered everything for me automatically, and if I go page by page, my cover letters populate with information, my forms are filled out, My supplemental documentation are here at the end of this little packet, but ultimately, I now have a completed packet which I can now submit this to government agencies, clients, keep it as a hard copy on my local device, and so much more. This concludes our video on the document assembly.